Ooh.
What is
But
that?
it's the ghost of hamburger past. Follow these tips or you'll have dry burgers. Ooh.
I just really try to block you out as much as possible.
Ooh.
It's working. Come somewhere else.
We all want to get to hamburger heaven. Ah, that's your halo.
Thank you.
So today in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are giving you 7 tips for making a great burger. Tip number 1, the mix. Go for 80-20. That's 80% lean ground chuck, 20% fat for a juicy burger. Tip number 2, don't season the burgers with salt until after you form them and you're about to put them on the grill. If you do it in advance, it's gonna dry them out.
And season heavy. When you put the salt on, be really generous.
Be generous with the salt. Don't scrimp on salt. Tip number 3, keep your hands cold, keep the meat cold. Warm hands will melt the fat, and we don't want that. It'll melt the fat.
Melt the fat right off.
Warm hands are gonna melt my fat.
And you'll have fat-free burgers.
Tip number 4, work quickly and gently when forming patties. You don't want to overhandle the meat. Tip number 5, try for uniform sized patties. You want them all to cook evenly and gently push your thumb in the middle to keep them from puffing up. You don't want puffy burgers.
No.
Tip number 6, once you're grilling, do not press the juices out with the spatula.
Never.
You don't press the juices out.
Oh, I knew that was coming.
Tip number 7, flip out. Flip them as much as you like, right? There's no limit on flipping.
There's no limit, but you want to get a good sear on it.
And there you have it, folks. 7 tips on how to get to hamburger heaven. She'll be waiting at the pearly gates.
I'll be forming your burgers, actually.